Blockchain conveys a few benefits, including speedy exchanges, security, decentralization, adaptability, and secrecy. In reality as we know it, where government observation is rising, security and information security become very sought-after capacities, particularly for computerized items. Sadly, trailblazer blockchain networks, as Bitcoin, make it conceivable to follow exchange trails left on the web on the grounds that blockchains are by and large straightforward, and on the grounds that the Bitcoin network relegates unequivocally chronic numbers to all coins available for use. Monero was made by a gathering of engineers to handle the test of protection and oversight to convey an additional layer of protection to digital money exchanges and advance quicker, less expensive, and safer cryptographic money exercises. What is Monero, XMR? Monero is a decentralized computerized resource that utilizes public circulated record innovation combined with modern protection concentrated innovations to delete exchange trails on its blockchain and convey fungibility and undeniable level client secrecy. Exchange information, for example, wallet address adjusts, and exchange narratives, among others, are safeguarded on the Monero blockchain. Monero plans to guarantee total secrecy and protection while managing exchanges on its blockchain. Monero positions protection and security as the main on its order of vital needs, firmly followed by adaptability and decentralized productivity. Monero's essential drive is to safeguard all crypto clients. Monero accomplishes security through specific critical highlights. These highlights incorporate fungibility, which clouds shippers and beneficiaries' subtleties on the organization, dissimilar to Bitcoin, which connects sequential ID to resources available for use. This deletion of exchange trail is fueled by ring signature innovation that ties past exchange information yield on the blockchain to imitations. What the ring signature tech does is that when exchanges are approved on the Monero organization, the authenticator of these exchanges is remembered for a bigger gathering made out of authenticators of different exchanges before. This makes it trying to distinguish which specific authenticator was liable for exchanges, since the first authenticator is covered up or stirred up with a few baits. Monero keeps on expanding its ring signatures to fortify obscurity and protection. Monero likewise utilizes one-time use secrecy locations to delink exchanges from each other. The security protection and decentralization of the Monero network have as of late expanded its support for illegal exercises. State-run administrations accept that its secrecy would give places of refuge to crooks, programmers, and tax criminals and, accordingly, keeps on endeavoring to figure out the Monero code. To advance decentralization and security, Monero utilizes Kryptonite, an agreement system in view of the proof-of-work plan. The agreement obstructs huge mining rigs from getting critical power and impact inside the organization. Monero, XMR, fundamental analysis. While protection and blockchain secrecy offers clients huge security and a trustless climate, states and the worldwide power structure are uncertain of digital forms of money like Monero. This dread is on the grounds that the organization would turn into a hive for crimes. Monero, along these lines, could confront enormous resistance as crypto guideline escalates. Monero, XMR, current price. Monero is at present worth $151.91. XMR has moved 4.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $99,426,538. Monero is at present position 27 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,774,207,572 using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD. From the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Monero, XMR, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2022. Monero, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. XMR. The XMR cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $228. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $212.80 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. XMR is supposed to have a base worth of $182.40. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Monero XMR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XMR will before long outperform $380. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the XMR's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XMR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $304 and a typical exchanging cost of $334.40. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $532 and XMR might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XMR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $486.40 and a low of $456 in 2024. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2025. Assuming that Monero effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the XMR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XMR will be green in 2025. The XMR is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $684. With a base cost of $608 and a typical cost of $638.40. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the XMR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $790.40 by 2026, with a base cost of $760 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XMR has a greatest value worth of $836. Monero, XMR, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $942.40. On the off chance that XMR figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $988, neglecting to accumulate the help XMR needs